Hey guys, it's Radmilla here. Today we'll be covering petty cash through the use of Sam. Sam has just opened a cafe and wants to create a petty cash fund and has found the following information. Petty cash is a determined amount of money that is used to pay for minor expenses. The amount of money and that expenditure can vary depending on the size and type of business. Sam has found 3 activities involved for petty cash funds. They are the establishment of the fund, the payments from the fund, and the replenishment of the fund. Sam learned to establish the fund he must write a check, cash a check into the account, and appoint a custodian to take care of the fund, who in this case is Jane. To account for the money placed into the account, Sam needs to make an entry into the general journal. Notice the debit and credit for cash. There is no change in total assets as the cash is still within the business. Now that the fund is established, it can be used. There are 2 common activities for making payments from the fund. Firstly, it can be taken directly from the fund. Secondly, Sam's employees make the payment from their personal account and later seek reimbursement from the fund. In both circumstances, it is essential Sam communicates to his custodian that all receipts are to be kept, as payments are only recorded when replenishing the fund and not as each payment occurs. Which brings us to our next step. When the money in the petty cash fund is low, it must be replenished. To replenish the fund, the remaining cash in the fund is counted, then a check is written for an amount that will bring the account back to its original balance. To complete the replenishment, the receipts need to be collected and are used to record expenses in the petty cash replenishment fund report. The receipts should equal the check amount requested to bring the account back to its original balance. Sometimes the receipts do not match the amount needed to replenish the fund, and there is an unaccounted amount that is moved to a temporary account called over and short. Sam's replenishment report did not match up in this case and had a discrepancy of $2, which was moved from the owner's equity to the over and short account. Thank you for listening. Good luck with your studies.